Alright, I have my PowerShell more or less set up. So my reverse shell, which I copied from here and just edited a bit. We can try to change up the music to something better, and then move on over here to execute the command. I tried something with MSF Venom, but I didn't really like it. So here we need a capital X to tell crack map crack map exec that we're using PowerShell. Come on, boom. And now let's run. Let's run. Did we get a session? Okay, hang on. Do I have the right? I'm bound to. So this is my Pwncat. I'm listening on port 80, and here I have port 80. And is that the correct IP? Come on. I mean, tone, yeah, it should be this one, which is this one. So everything should go according to plan. So what's happening? Why are the easy tasks always so difficult for me? Alright, let's try another port maybe. Yeah, maybe 443 will do the trick. Now let's go up here. Just bear with me. That's gonna take a while. Or I could actually try to change it in the text file and then copy paste it again. Or actually cut that one out. I mean, that would be something smart. That would be the smart thing to do, right? Am I doing this correctly is the question. I mean, I just copied some random reverse shell script. No idea if that's actually gonna work. Oh, come on. What do they do here? So let's zoom in. An interactive shell. SMBD and then X and then the IP. I mean, that's exactly what I have, right? So let's go to the payload, all the things one. And I mean, do we get some error message back? Let's spin this one up again to port 80. Or maybe, you know what? One last try. Let's do port 444. Let's try that one. If that doesn't work. So, like this. If that doesn't work, then we know that the payload is off. So let's go back to this one. Make this one big. And then paste this one in here. I mean, we get a green plus. And the who am I seemed to be working, right? So let's run the who am I one again. Maybe that. I mean, oh, we don't get the output. I mean, wait. If I run who am I should get all of this. But that doesn't seem to be working. So let's go back up on top. We have SMB. Do I have to CMDC? I mean, I shouldn't have to, but let's try that. Something is off with our thing. We don't get the things back that we should be getting back. So what's happening? Maybe let's try something different. Exec method. We can specify an exec method. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go back in here after SMB, paste this one and run this. We don't get it. We don't get it. We don't get what we want. Hang on. No, I'm doing it correctly. Because this tool doesn't use colons, it doesn't even use the person sign. No, it uses an entirely separate flag. Isn't that amazing how all the tools use other things? Let's try SMB exec. I mean, we should get, oops. We should get something like this back. But we're not. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And let's go. No. Let's try, yeah, maybe we can do win RM. Maybe that's the golden ticket. Sometimes you just need to try different exploit. Win RM. In the meantime, let me change the music. This is a weird song. Okay, so the win RM fails, which I guess we have to do it with SMB. But what do we need to do? SMB exec. Where is the output? I'm unsure if I'm using this tool correctly. Maybe I should use another tool. But let's actually get rid of this one because apparently it doesn't matter. We always get this thing back. Am I missing like a redirect output thing or something? So let me take a look at how it should look like. If we use the default VMI exec thing, we should get 4 lines. We should get a pond. But why doesn't it give us a pond? I mean, we have to... Hang on. Wait. Do I have to put the password in single quotes? Is that it? No, it's not that. But here we don't get... Why doesn't it execute the command? What am I missing? What am I missing? I'm missing something and I don't know what. Maybe some of you in the comments know what I'm missing, so let me know, because I don't know what I'm missing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.